Okay, about the challenge that what we teach about that. Today, for example, the challenge teach about productivity, work together, good communication, and what a leader can do on this project. For example, when we start to make this tower, we need to be more productive because we spend a lot of time just talking and planning, but without build the structure. And we didn't have a leader, a natural leader. So we spent a lot of time without a direction, a clear direction. And what does this challenge teach about other challenge in our life? I think that the main reason is that we need to, for example, make a plan, and after that we can evaluate and start to work in the project. We need to make the plan, and after that start to work, but always evaluating what are we doing. If we are wrong, we are right, and evaluate all the variables that we have. And in my opinion, what is necessary to be successful with this challenge? I think that to be successful with this challenge, and with any challenge in your life, in your work, we need to be focused on the target and make a good planner, and never forget that all the variables that we have can be a problem, like the marshmallow, for example, in this project. But that's all. I think that we need to be focused, plan, evaluate, and don't forget never that we have a lot of problems probably in the execution of this project. That's all.